It's so rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. We're thrilled you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.